Another day, another VLOGMAS-LESS episode 4. I'm Tawni Rose, and today it is raining in Burbank, and it's really bringing the mood down. I'm really tired. I'm trying to muster up some energy so that I can get on these vlogs and get this content out to you guys. So I'm here. I hope you guys are having a better day, or just a brighter, cheerfully, more vibrant day. It's just like when the clouds come in and the rain, it's like, maybe it's not like a bad mood kind of thing. Maybe it's just like you're very relaxed and very tired. I'm very tired. I would like to take a nap, but I gotta get this content out to you guys. So today I'm just gonna get started with talking about my hair. Like, that's a good place to start. I'm actually not mad at how this came out. So last night I decided to wash and condition my hair because I really needed to get this product buildup off of my scalp. So I washed it really good, stripped it with a clarifying shampoo, and then I just put some regular old Tresemme conditioner in it, and I left it on while I was in the shower. And then when I got out the shower, I think I just put I didn't rinse all the conditioner out, and I actually probably added like a little bit and just put it in my hair, and then I wrapped it in a bun at the top of my head and put this scrunchie on it, and then put a scarf on, took the scarf off, took this off, let my hair down, and it was just kind of damp still, so I let it air dry, and here we are. This is the result. I don't really have much product in it. It's just that conditioner, but it turned out pretty good. I like it. Okay, so it's raining, but I need to go to Target yesterday. I'm running out of things that I need. I think I've used my last Q-tip, and Q-tips are very important in my house because I like to clean my ears every day. I like to clean my nose. I like to clean the yuckies out of my cat's eyes, so I need Q-tips to do those things. What else do I need? I need laundry. No, yes, I do need Tide. I do need dishwashing liquid. I need new sponges. I buy sponges every month and swap them out, replace them, because I do not like a dirty sponge. I just need some stuff, and I'm trying to wait for it to stop raining. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna put makeup on? I washed my face already. I did my routine. My acne is still healing, but maybe I'll put a little something on my face. I don't like to wear makeup per se, but I will do things to accentuate, make my features pop. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows a little bit with this jet black. The Brow Gal. It's like, what is it called? What color is it? Oh, it's just black, whatever. I use black because my hair is black. It's kind of hard to do this in the camera phone. Maybe I'll do a little bit of bronzing. I need to get some new bronzer. This is old Cargo, from it has to be 10 years old at the very least. I know I haven't bought bronzer in forever. Now I'm gonna put on this NYX Worth the Hype Black Mascara. I do put on mascara. Wait, I do put on mascara. Oh. I do put mascara on almost every day. See, you can see the difference already. And I'm gonna put on a little bitty blush, a little bit of blush, Stella, in the color, Custom Color Blush. Where's the color? Why I don't say the color? This color is pink. Pink, peachy, whatever. I hate putting makeup over acne scars while they heal, but here we are. And for a little bit more color, just a little lip gloss. This is Lancome's Juicy Tube and Caramel Gospel. So this has been my favorite lip gloss ever. I've been using it since I was in high school. Off and on since high school, but that was the first time I got it. Okay, I'm gonna change clothes and then we're off to Target. Okay, so quick change of plans. My mother needed me to buy her a wig, so I went to the beauty supply and I got more stuff than, you know, you can't just go into the beauty supply store and just buy one thing. So let me show you what I got. I got my mom this Bobby Boss lace front curlify. What is this? Textured and curlified, and not blonde. She's not she's not a blonde. She's jet black all the way, but this is just the box that it came in, whatever. So, oh, you can't even see it. So I got her that one. 10%, wait, yeah, I got a 10% off. It's 45. So got this for her. And then I don't know why I bought this. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it tonight or something like that. But I got the Apple G 2-step treatment, protein treatment, so I can keep my hair growing long. It was only $13. It's like, I've been saying that I wanted to buy it, and when I saw the bundle, I was like, I love bundles. Everybody loves bundles. Then I bought some little things. I just got some lashes, just like the OG lashes. I got 2 different kinds. I don't like lashes that are like big and like thick. I just want something natural to like just add another layer to my natural lash. So I bought some processing caps, so when I do my treatments I can be protected. That over there. And then I brought some eyelash glue because I had eyelash glue in so long, so I know whatever I have in my thing is not it's not gonna be good anymore. Then I bought some earrings from the beauty supply store. I know y'all still buy earrings from the beauty supply store, but I just wanted some little hoops. I always have my big hoops on me, but then I was like, you know what, just buy this. $2.49. Just some little hoops and then some little gold ones. So yeah, that's all I got this time. I'm very excited about it. I love going to the beauty supply. Oh, and free hand sanitizer. I've been mixing words together. Hand sanitizers. Free hand sanitizer. Boom, got it. I'm kind of hungry again. It's time to eat. What's around here? I'm in an area where there's a lot of Mexican food options. Can this bus move so I can show y'all what I might be getting to eat? God damn. I might go, there's like a taco stand across the street, so I might go get some tacos real quick, or maybe find like an indoor Mexican food spot. I don't know, let me see. So I was driving around the area that I was in, and it wasn't a whole lot of Mexican food spots I was driving around, but I did notice like 5 liquor stores. Like it was just like unnecessary, like a bunch of more than 5, but a bunch of liquor stores. My hair does look good. So I was like, I'll just come to Wendy's instead because I want a baked potato. So I got me a baked potato, and I'm gonna let it, it's still really hot, like steaming hot. So I'm gonna let the cheese melt a little bit. And then I got their Southwest salad. Bam. I don't know, it's just very interesting that in those kind of neighborhoods there are plethoras of liquor stores. And it wasn't like a mart, it wasn't like a convenience store or whatever. It was literally just straight up liquor stores. The salad is so good. Got everything I like. The dressing's not bad either. I'm really picky on dressings. I think I'm giving you guys mukbang ASMR vibes right now. Now I'm gonna hit you with the potato. I was never a Wendy's, like I didn't eat Wendy's growing up. Like I don't even know where Wendy's was. I was a McDonald's girl. I never ate Wendy's, but when I moved closer to one, I gave it a shot with these baked potatoes, and it offers something different than like burgers and tacos or whatever. And this baked potato is so good. I think tonight I'm gonna make my last HelloFresh meal. I think it's cheeseburger, some kind of cheeseburger or jalapeno something. Ooh, so that's gonna be really good. That's so fat. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this food. I'm gonna hit up Target. I'll be back. So this is everything that I got on my Target Essentials run. I got some Up and Up stuff. I like their quality of their generic versions of things. So I got their cotton balls, their freezer bags, their Q-tips that I started using immediately because I need them so bad. Then I got my Scotch-Brite sponges that I had to use immediately as well. I got my favorite toothpaste in the world. I did a whole video on this toothpaste. It's the Arm & Hammer Advanced White Extreme Whitening toothpaste, and it keeps my teeth pearly white. Got some Listerine, love Listerine. Got a case of Smart Waters. I got my deodorant. I use the Dove Original Clean, just very basic. Sometimes I get different scents, but that is just, it's perfect for me. I got my Flamingo Refills. Flamingo is a shaver that is, I think it's exclusively at Target. I bought the shaver maybe last year, and I've been using the refills. It has it's a 5-blade, there we go, picture of it. It's a 5-blade shaver, razor, whatever you want to call it. And I love it. It's probably one of the best shavers I've used. I got my Summer's Eve Simply Sensitive Cleansing Wash. And I got this one because it was pink and I like hot pink. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. I guess it's different scents, but I can't tell the difference or care. I got my BioTrue multi-purpose solution for my contact lenses. I want to say this is one of the, it might just be the best. Like, it might be the best contact solution out there that I know of. Let's talk about your boy and your voice. So this is basically one of the greatest inventions that was ever made. I mean, put it up there with the light, put it up there with the telephone, with the car, with the airplane. This is one of the best. This foaming spray wash where you just spray your dishes down. Like, this is beyond fantastic. I can't imagine a world without it now that I have it. It is absolutely so, it's just easy to clean things when it's foamy. Like, I can't imagine life without it. I can't imagine going back to putting a blob of soap on a sponge and calling it a day. I want to spray my dishes down. I want to spray the counters down. I want to just spray everything. And the same goes for hand soap. It has to be foamy. My hand soap has to be foamy now. I bought some foam hand soap from Trader Joe's a while back, and then I bought the regular hand soap after that, and I was like, I need the foam. I need the soap coming out foamy. I don't like the glob of soap anymore. I just don't. I love foam. So that's everything I got on my run. I'm about to do maybe a couple more errands, and then it'll be time to cook the dinner. So tonight's dinner from HelloFresh is going to be banh mi style burgers with the potato wedges, and yet again, the cilantro is gross. I mean, I guess I can pick the fresh pieces, but that's done. The potatoes are a little something. Oh, the ginger is kind of funky. I think I can cut around it. And the shallot's done. Like, it's just like, I can't use it. So I'm going to chat with somebody named Bree, and we'll see what happens. So they rectified the situation by crediting $19.58 to my account, which will go to my next box. But I really wish I went online and made a report about it sooner. Or no, not sooner, but in my last box, because the same thing happens. Like, the cucumber was spoiled and I couldn't use it. And was it dill? I think it was dill, was kind of welty like the cilantro is. So I'm gonna just make use with what I got. I have an onion in there that I'm gonna use instead of the shallot, and we're gonna figure this thing out, and I'll show you the final results. Here is the final product. It's just very simple recipe. You make the slaw that has carrots and cucumbers and supposed to be shallots, but I made it with onions and some potato wedges, and I added some jalapenos to go with it. Yeah, nothing to it. Oh yeah, and some sriracha mustard. So anyway, I'm gonna finish my food for the evening, and thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I will see you guys in the next one.